Good day, tourists! I am Claire, your tour guide for today. And now we're going to see and explore the beauty of Coron. And before we start our Coron tour, I have a reminders. First, don't leave your things unattended. Second, if you don't understand me, please don't hesitate to ask. Third, don't leave the group unless you ask permission. So guys, are you excited to start our tour? For our first destination here in Coron is the Mount Tapias Eco Park. Mount Tapias Eco Park is located on top of a hill with a big grass in the middle. You can reach the park by climbing 724 steps stairway. The viewing deck of the park offers a panoramic view of the Coron Bay. For a second destination here in Coron is Makinit Hot Spring. Makinit waters are very relaxing and therapeutical, with a temperature ranging from 38 to 41 degrees Celsius. It's the perfect place to go after trekking. For our next destination that we will visit here in Coron is the Kayangan Lake. Kayangan Lake is a Hall of Fame awardee as the cleanest and greenest lake for 3 consecutive years. Yawan Beach. These islands are best for sunbathing. A sumptuous picnic buffet lunch would be served where local delicacies would be on the menu. For our next destination is the Smith's Point, a small beach located beside the Banol Beach. Nice rock formation and home to starfishes. It has a wide swimming area. Twin Lagoon, the famous lake with the beautiful rock formation surrounded by it, wherein you would experience a unique change in water temperature, also known as thermocline. Thank you for your attention. Hope to see you in your next tour here in the Philippines. Once again, I'm Claire. On behalf of our tour company, we wish you a pleasant and memorable vacation. That's all. Thank you.